LLMS.txt. Every day AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Perplexity are searching millions of websites to generate the answers. But here's the catch that most people don't know. AI tools don't know exactly which part of your website is really important and which is not. That's why AI tools also need guidance, and without the proper guidance, AI tools can pick random stuff from your website like random pages, tag archives, or even the low quality content to generate the answers. This can hurt your brand credibility, right? So to fix this, LLMS.txt files come as a savior. So in today's video, we will learn what is LLMS.txt file, and if you are the WordPress users, how you can create it with DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin without any coding in a simple way. And don't worry, if you are not the WordPress users, I will also teach you how you can create LLMS.txt file manually for any type of website. So without wasting the time, let's begin. LLMS.txt. It's a simple text file located in the root directory of the website, like your website name /LLMS.txt. Think of it like a guidebook for the AI tools, like you are guiding the AI tools about your website, like which part is really useful and which part is less useful. So its main job is to communicate with the large language models about how to interpret with your website. So now let's create the LLMS.txt file with the DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin if you are the WordPress user. So let's begin. First you need to install the DefiniteSEO plugin. Just go to the dashboard settings of your WordPress website and click on the plugin section. And then click on the add new plugin. And now just search for the DefiniteSEO. And just activate this plugin. Here you can see my plugin is installed now. So the first step will be go to the DefiniteSEO plugin settings. And from the dashboard you have to enable the LLMS.txt settings, like I am going to enable it. And after enabling, just save the changes. So now my changes are saved now. You can see my LLMS.txt settings are enabled now. So you can customize these settings from two places. First, you can just directly click on the settings button, or you can just go to the preferences from the DefiniteSEO plugin settings. And in the preferences, you can go to the LLMS.txt. After clicking the LLMS.txt file, this type of interface will appear. Here you can see. And the first thing we are going to do is, we are selecting the mode of our selection. Like how we are going to selecting the data from our website for the LLMS.txt file. And DefiniteSEO currently gives you three modes here. First is automatic page selection, then manual page selection, and final one is the selected pages. So first I am going to create the LLMS.txt file with the automatic page selection. So I am going to select it. And if I am selecting this mode, DefiniteSEO will automatically select the post types and taxonomies for the LLMS.txt file. And then you can just customize the post terms limit. Like I am going to keep it on 15. It's the new website. So I am just keeping it on 15. And in the additional content, you can add the additional info here for the LLMS.txt file. Currently I am not adding it, and after doing the changes, just save it. Now you can see I have created my LLMS.txt file with the mode of automatic page selection. I am going to preview it. Just click on the LLMS.txt preview button. Like here I am going to click it. Here you can see DefiniteSEO automatically added my post types and my taxonomies in the LLMS.txt file, and my file is created here like this. You can see. Now you have seen I have created the LLMS.txt file with the automatic page selection mode. Now if you want to add manually your post type and taxonomies, then don't worry. There is a second option of manual page selection where you can manually add your taxonomies and your post types for the LLMS.txt file. So let's create. Just select the second mode from here and manually enable or disable your post types. I am disabling my tags and my post term limits will be same. And if you want to add additional content, you can add the new links here and just save the changes. Here you can see my changes are saved now, and now I am going to preview my file. Here you can see my LLMS.txt file is created manually with the DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin. Like here I have disabled the tags, that's why the tags are not shown here. Only post, pages and categories are shown here. Like here you can see post, pages and categories are enabled. That's why it's here in the LLMS.txt file. Here you can see. Alright, we have created the LLMS.txt file with the two modes in DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin. First mode was automatic page selection and the second one was manual page selection. Now I am moving forward with the final one, that is selected pages. If you are creating the LLMS.txt file with this mode, you can manually select the pages for your LLMS.txt file. Like here, I am selecting this mode and I can manually select the pages like About Us, then Contact page, Terms Condition, Privacy Policy page, Sitemap page, Blog page and then Shop page. So here you can see I have manually selected the pages. Now I am going to select the post types. If you want to enable or disable it, you can do. Like I am going to enable it. And my pages are already selected here. And then my taxonomies, I am going to enable both categories and tags. And then you can manually customize your post terms limits. I am keeping it on 15. And again in the additional content, you can add additional links that you want to add in your LLMS.txt file. And after it, I am just going to save the changes. Now we are going to preview the LLMS.txt file created by DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin. Just click on the preview button. Here you can see. That's it. We have created the LLMS.txt file with the help of DefiniteSEO WordPress plugin without any coding in a simple way. Now let's create the LLMS.txt file for any type of website if you are not using the WordPress. So without wasting the time, let's create the file manually. So as you know, the LLMS.txt file is placed in the root directory of the website. So you have to open the root directory of the website. Like here I am going to open mine. Here you can see I have opened the root directory of my website. And the first thing you have to do is you need to create a new file by the name of LLMS.txt. Like here I am going to create it. LLMS.txt. Remember, the name should be in lower cases only. I am going to save the file. Here you can see my new file is created by the name of LLMS.txt file, and now I am going to open it. Alright, here you can see my LLMS.txt file is totally blank now, and I am going to create it manually. First, I am just going to name the file and the purpose of this file. Like the file name is LLMS.txt, and what's the purpose of it? Like this file's purpose is for AI content uses guidelines. And now I'm going to write my website info with #1. Here the #1 means the h1 tag in the HTML, and under the website info I'm going to name my website and my website's link. Here you can see. Now I have written my website name and my website link under the website information. I'm going to tell LLMs like what is the purpose of my website under the #1. So I'm going to write my website's description under #1. Here you can see. So I have written the website information like website name, site URL and site description. Now I'm going to add the important pages like under the #1. I'm going to write key pages AI model should focus on. I'm going to write my important pages. And my important pages will be started by the hyphen. Like these hyphens are used for listing the items. Now I have listed my important pages. I'm going to list the types of content I am allowing to AI. Like you can list the articles here. I'm going to list my articles that I am allowing to AI tools. That is SEO articles, AI tutorials or website information guides. And after listing the content that I am allowing to AI tools, I am going to list the pages or the content that is not allowed. So it will be under the #1 with the name disallowed content. Then just listing my pages that I don't want to be used by the AI tools like admin and login things. Alright, the LLMS.txt file is ready now, and after saving it you can check it by your username /LLMS.txt. But before that I'm going to explain you further. First you have to give the information about your website to the LLMs. Like I have written my website name, my website link and my website description. And then I have just listed my important pages like the AI model should focus on. Like you can list your home page, your main categories, your main tags. And after it I have listed my main content the AI can use to generate the answers. Like I have listed my main articles here about SEO guide, SEO tutorials. And then after it I have listed the pages the AI should not focus on, means it should be ignored by the AI tools, like my admin page, login page. So this was the LLM file created manually. You can manually add pages and content links here and just publish it in the LLMS file for the use of AI tools. So remember this, SEO is no longer just about ranking on search engines. It's also about how AI understands your website. If you don't tell AI who you are, the AI will decide, and most of the time it's not in your favor. So create the LLMS.txt file for your website and give a guidebook to AI tools. So that's it for today. Best of luck for optimizing your website. Thanks for watching.